Hello. In this lesson, we are talking about equations. What is an equation? An equation is an expression or a statement, more correctly, a statement which has an equality sign in that. So, an equation is a statement with an equality sign. For example, two plus p equal to 6 is an equation. Why? Because it has an equality sign in that. There is an equality sign here. All right, now that we know what is an equation, let's see what does solving an equation mean. So solving an equation means finding the value of the pronumeral in the equation so that the equation is correct. So solving an equation means finding a value for the pronumeral that makes the equation true. For example, here 2 plus 4 becomes 6. So if we replace p with 4, then the equation becomes true. So p equal to 4 is a solution to this equation. So when solving 2 plus p equal to 6, we notice that when p is 4, the equation is true. If I put 4 here, that becomes 2 plus 4 equal to 6, which is true. But if I put 6 here, for example, then that's going to be 2 plus 6, which is 8, which is not equal to 6. So then 6, a value of 6 for p will not make this true. So p equal to 6 is not a solution, but p equal to 4 is a solution. So p equal to 4 is a solution to the equation 2 plus p equal to 6. All right. Now we know what is an equation and what is its solution. As another example, for the equation two k equal to 14, the solution is k equal to 7. Because 2 times 7, remember there is a times between 2 and k. 2k means 2 times k. So if I replace k with 7, I'm going to have 2 times 7. And you know that 2 times 7 is 14. So it works. It is correct. That makes that equation correct. So k equal to 7 is a solution to this equation. All right, that is the meaning of equation and the meaning of solution. But also we can write equations ourselves based on a statement, a worded statement, writing equation. If they tell me write an equation to show that a number plus 5 is 8. So what I'm going to do, a number, I don't know that number, I can call it any pronumeral I like. For example, I'm going to call it x. So a number which is x plus 5, so plus 5 means equal to 8. That is an equation which shows this worded statement. Okay, x plus 5 is equal to 8. A number plus 8 is 8. A number plus 5 is equal to 8. That is for writing equations. What we did so far was solving equations by inspection. So in other words, if I want to solve this equation, I realize that 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So the solution to that is 3. The solution to this equation is x equal to 3. In the future lessons, however, we will learn how to solve them algebraically, because it's not always possible to solve an equation just by inspection and only by looking at them. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for your attention.